Over the next 5 weeks, the world will be watching the biggest football tournament ever played. But almost no one will be watching what's actually behind the game. Except today, we are.
The biggest challenge that they had in manufacturing a good soccer ball was moisture. In our studies, we learned it makes a huge difference on a leather ball.
Kicking motion generates the spin. Spin generates the pressure difference, activates the Magnus effects, and you see the ball curve.
And on the old ball right here, you'll see it, we actually get this vortex shedding. And that was causing a massive distribution change or a fluctuation in that pressure.
Historically, things like offside calls and goal line decisions were made entirely by the referee and assistant referee. And in a fast-moving sport like soccer, that's incredibly difficult. Modern systems developed to help take the ambiguity out of these decisions. And you've got high-speed camera systems for the goal line decisions, and then the smart ball to help with offside decisions.
I'm Sean O'Neill, and welcome to Solidworks Live.